Steel and fire on the open wave, born to rule the ocean's brave. From New York Harbor to far-off lands, she cut through waters with golden hands. Engines roaring, a heart of might, racing the wind, chasing the night. She carried dreams across the foam, for every traveler a fleeting home. SS United States, Queen of the Sea, faster than lightning, wild and free, ghost of glory, shining bright. You own the waves in your endless flight. Post-war pride, America's crown, luxury liner, the world looked down. Silver hull, red, white, blue streak, a symbol of power for all to see. Champions race to claim your line, but none could touch your speed divine. Through storms and sun, you held your reign, a fleeting legend, yet eternal.